Hello everyone. So would you like to learn how to make this out of this? This is a Dollar Tree charger. And I have the matching scarf. Scarves are so easy to make. And with the hat, you can take her and play with her and wear her all type of ways. It's just up to you what you like. To me, I just like the queen look to me. Some of my headbands are a little wider than others. Let's try on another one. Excuse my hair. So this is one of my favorite ones. The camera is not doing right with the color, but it's actually darker than the way it looked in the camera. So you play with them and you fix it the way you want to fix it. I call her Miss Sassy, and you could just fix her any kind of way you want to. You just play with her. You can tilt her, you can bend her, do whatever you want, whatever you like, okay? And then we have what I call my unisex hat. It's made from this, a Dollar Tree plate, and that will be this one. I love this one. And then we have this one. I just took a piece of paper and just made it like that. You just got to make sure you do this part wide enough. And I like the orange in the front. Like that. Like so. So if you guys are interested in learning how to make these hats, write in the comment, I'm interested. And I will consider making a video. One more. We also have this one. So you just play with them. You wear it the way you want to wear it. I like funky hats. You know, you can wear it like this. You can just wear it to the back. You know. So it's just up to you. Some fabric is stiffer than others. Some are a little soft. Look at that. Look at that. See how it fell? Look at how that fell, y'all. That's what I'm talking about. So that's what tends to happen. When you put her on, she just fall any way she want to fall. Or you play with her till you get her to where you want her. Look at there. Look at there. So if y'all interested in learning how to make She Ready, She Sassy, write in the comment, I'm interested. And I will consider making a video. I will do a video for each one. I won't do them all at one time, so the video won't be long. You only need a yard of fabric to make the hat and the scarf. Yeah. So some people have been telling me, you sure you want to do that? Because you giving away your signature. I said, it depends on how many people are interested. Then maybe so. I'm sitting on it. I'm not doing anything with it. Y'all, that's just so cute. I love the way it fell. And that's what happens when you put her on. She can fall any type of way. So, she's made from this one. Okay. My unisex is made from this one. And these are Dollar Tree items. You can get them at the Dollar Tree. Make your pattern out of it. And, with the scarves, you can basically just take a scarf that you already have and cut out the fabric to the length that you like it. Scarves are so easy to make. The only thing is with mine, I tend to double mine. So that's the only difference. You know, I don't usually make, like this one is a 1 layer. This one is a 1 layer. It's wider and it's thicker. So this is 1 layer. So it just depends on the feel of the fabric, what I'll do with it. I just follow my spirit. I don't never start out with a plan. However it ends up, you know, I do it along the way. So if you guys are interested, just please write in a comment that I'm interested. This is my little beanie. I didn't put her on. Let's put her on. Got a little headband. This is one of the fitted beanies. Ooh, I love it. This one fit. You put her on with your scarf. There you go. There you go. Yeah. So, if you guys are interested, let me know. Yeah, I look a hot mess. But it's all good. I'm getting ready to go to bed. I'm going to go ahead and spend some time with my daddy, God. And then I'm going to turn it in because I went to bed late last night. So, but yeah, I have a lot of these, y'all. I have a lot. We got to find a new place to buy our fabrics, though, because Joann's are going out of business. So that's where I normally get my fabric is Joann's. So, and I try to get it when it's on sale. All right, so thank y'all for watching. And I hope that some of you guys are interested in learning. Depends on how many people I get. It'll let me know if y'all really serious. And I'll take my time and go step by step, and you'll be able to pause the video, go back, do it again. It's really easy. I promise y'all, it's so easy. Let me say that. It's real easy. I created this hat by happenstance. I didn't even set out to make it like that. And when it happened, I was like, girl, what you done did? I started making them like crazy. And started selling them. And I didn't make a batch this Christmas that just passed, because I usually make 30 to 50 and then sell them. I didn't do it this time. Too much going on. My mother had just lost a sister. We just lost another sister. So there's just so much going on. I haven't felt like doing it, but I'm sitting on the gift, so I thought maybe I'd share it. But I don't want to post a video if people are not going to watch it. So I need to know that people are interested. So, yeah, I'm prettier than this, y'all. I took it down to put the hats on. I had it up. Yeah, I got to oil my scalp. It's dry. Anywho, if y'all interested, just type interested. I don't need no other lip, no whatever. Yeah. Okay? But you all have a blessed night. And know that nothing can happen tonight that you and God together cannot handle. Have a blessed night.